Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Happy Hump Day.
Oh, brother.
Today I am working from home, 7 to 3:30 and 6:45 to 6:15, and then
3:15.
3:15, whatever, what time.
Jeez.
I guess I don't know my time very well. Then I have Dr. Brent after that, which is exciting. I think I'm going to wear my Green Bay Packer mask.
Oh, brother.
So watch out, world. And then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. So stay tuned and you'll find out more. Hey everyone, how's it going? Looking at the weather. Dark clouds like towards the northwest and north. Weather could be funny here in Scottsdale. Could be fine 1 minute and could flood you out. I have a chiropractor at 4:15. I'm trying to determine if I should be smart enough to reschedule or tough it out and try to go. Hi, how you doing?
Good.
I don't know. What would my mom tell me to do? And my grandmother, my Aunt Granny.
¿Tiró el hielo ya estuvo? ¿Dónde? ¿Ya tiró el hielo ya estuvo? No, ya se tiró, ya se me acabó todo. Oh, órale. Ya. Ándale, pues.
Hello. I don't know. I'm gonna wait to see it 3:15. That would be my determinant. There's our clouds today. Right now it is looks like it's stormy. Going to be storming. Like I said, I was supposed to go to a chiropractor out in North Scottsdale, and I sort of decide reschedule and go some other time. I don't want to get caught, just in case. It was better be safe than sorry. So, I was a little disappointed. I thought, oh good, I get to get out of the apartment for a little while, and instead I am stuck put. But I guess safety comes first. So, yeah. If you, just in case, on these monsoon storms, you don't want to be caught in a certain place in the city, because some places do flood. And they have a law called the stupid motor law. If you drive into a flood and you get stuck, you're responsible for your bill. Since I've talked to you last, it rained some more. This is the second. Can you hear that thunder? Can you really hear it? Yes. I'm going to end the video right now, in the day here. Just going to say again, I hope everyone had an awesome Hump Day Wednesday. Wherever you may be, I hope it was been a dry day. For me, as you can tell, it hasn't. I am going to go ahead and call it an evening because I'm going to start fixing dinner. More sirens. I bet some people got stuck in the wash. That's usually happens in a storm like this. Some people forget storms, and if it gets how to drive in it, and they drive in the wrong area and get stuck. And let me tell you, when that happens, it's that person's responsibility's bill to pay for whatever. So, yeah, that's why I decided not to go anywhere. I could have, but I did not want to take that chance. So I'm going to go ahead and call it an evening. Tell everyone good night, and you guys be safe. Remember, storms like this, stay put. I'll talk to you guys more in a little while. Bye.